In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do project management in Monday.com. Whether you're managing a big team or just coordinating a few tasks, this powerful tool is here to simplify your workflow and increase productivity. Now, let's dive in and walk through each step together. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Monday.com. If you haven't been there before, this platform is designed to streamline project management with a visually intuitive and responsive interface. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in. So go ahead and click on the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the website. The login page provides several options, but for the sake of convenience and speed, let's use your Google account. Click on the Google option and choose the Google account you want to associate with your Monday.com profile. This not only saves time, but also ensures a secure and quick login process. Once you're logged in, turn your attention to the left panel. You'll see several options there, but what you're looking for is the More button. Click on it and it will expand to reveal further options. From this expanded menu, select Template Center. This section is a treasure trove of pre-designed templates that can fit almost any project you can think of. Within the Template Center, look for the project management templates. Dive into these options to find one that best matches your needs. However, for today's tutorial, we'll start from scratch to give you a comprehensive understanding of how to customize Monday.com to fit your specific project requirements. Click on Start from Scratch and once more on the very same Start from Scratch option. Following this, hit the Use Template button to begin customizing your project management board. Now here's where your personal touch comes into play. The default setup will come with generic group names. Rename these group names to represent the stages of your project. This could be anything from to do, in progress, stuck, and done, or customized to fit the specific workflow of your team. Renaming these stages helps everyone involved understand the current status of each task at a glance. Next, add columns to each of these stages to represent different data points that are relevant to your project. This could include deadlines, assigned team members, priority levels, or even budget allocation. Columns are very flexible, allowing you to capture the right information in a visual and organized manner. Finally, if you need even more granularity, you can click the drop-down per tab to add or view sub-items. This feature is particularly useful for breaking down tasks into smaller, actionable items, making it easier to manage complex projects. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now equipped to harness Monday.com for effective project management. Remember, practice makes perfect, so be sure to explore the various features and customize them to suit your workflow perfectly. Thanks for joining me today, and happy project managing.